Hi, I'm Margaret, and recently I asked you what biscuits you'd like me to make. Today's recipe has come from Andrew's suggestion from Andrew's Simple Cooking. Andrew said that he'd like to see anything with coconut and chocolate, so I've put together these little white chocolate and coconut biscuits. I'll put a link to Andrew's channel in the description below this video. I do hope you visit him because he has some fab recipes to share. Well, while I've been talking, I've creamed the butter and the sugar together, added the egg, and in goes the desiccated coconut, giving it a really good mix. Now, what I love about biscuits is they're really so simple. Once that's done, all I have to do now is add the dry ingredients and then mix in the white chocolate chips, and we're more or less done. Quite often with biscuits, you have to chill them before popping them in the oven. This stops them spreading too much. But these little beauties don't need chilling at all. You want them to spread, so you just shape them and pop them into the oven. In order to make them even, I like to roll them into little balls and then squash them onto some baking paper. I'm spacing them out because they will expand while they're baking. And it's quite nice to swash them a little bit more and then decorate them. I've chosen white chocolate chips, and I also found some toasted coconut, which I think will go quite nicely on top of these. It's a good idea to decorate things with what's inside them, and it gives people a good idea of what to expect when they taste. Let's just squash them down a little bit so they stick when the biscuits are baked. And there we are. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you soon.